Taxila, the best footprint of Buddhism in Pakistan, and Sirkap, the biggest showpiece of Buddhism and Greeks in Pakistan. This is Gandhara, the most preserved landmark of Indo-Greek kingdom just 2,200 years back, from Kabul to Sawat. When I was sitting at Sirkap, I feel so close to God and Buddha. The atmosphere is so charismatic, we do not want to come back. Taxila originally come from Rama younger brother Bharata's son named Taxila, but not so many people know that. This 1200 meter long road in the center, dividing the city into two parts, showing the typical construction of Greeks with the private houses on the sides with basement. Indeed, the city was surrounded by a great wall to protect from the invaders. Naturally, everybody wondering why here. Taxila is on the great road between India and Afghanistan, and it was a diversion towards China for Silk Road. But of course, you need water. So Taxila is at the bank of Harrow River, which is coming from Nathia Gully. Indeed, I left with a heavy heart.